Well, look who's back from Goa. The man, the myth, the human coconut. Nice stand, by the way. Yeah. Are you auditioning for sunscreen commercial? Guys, you should have come. Jet skiing, beach bonfire, pool parties, seafood buffet. It was unreal. I even stayed at a luxury sea view resort. Woke up to dolphins every morning. Dolphins? That's excellent. Sometimes I struggle to wake up to my own alarm. The best trip ever. Parasailing over Arabian Sea, scuba diving with turtles, banana boat. I will show you guys the photos. Wait. Oh no. Oh no, what? Did dolphin steal your wallet? Worse. Just got a message from bank. Account balance is zero. All my savings are gone. What? You don't even have a girlfriend. Who did you spend it on? Dolphins to wake you up? This keeps happening to me. Every time I save, I splurge all my money. What's wrong with me? What's wrong, Simple, is not you. It's your budgeting system. You missed one digital habit that could have protected your savings from splurges like this. Professor, please teach me how to protect my savings, or else I will end up selling beach sand for paying rent. Very well. The method is technically called as envelope 2.0 habit. Let me explain. The reason you lost all your savings is simple. Your money wasn't categorized. When all your income sits in one pool, your brain automatically assumes it's all for spending. Without categorization, savings are like sand in the beach. They slip right through your fingers. So, I need to divide my savings, like give them labels. Exactly, Simple. You need to create digital jars. It's the modern equivalent of our Ajji's envelope system. Alright. Simple. Remember the last time we all went to my village? You met my Ajji, the financial Gandalf? Ah, right. She gave us all shaguns, right? In those tiny envelopes. She had a whole shelf of them. Groceries, medicines, emergencies, even sweets. That was her way of practicing digital jar method long before even fintech existed. Every rupee had a purpose. Yeah, my Ajja's been running her own wealth management fund even before mutual funds were cool. She always says money behaves only when you give it rules, and which is why she never overspent or never ran out. Oh, now I got it. That's why it's called Envelope 2.0, digital version of Ajji's old school hack. Your brain treats all money equally. When you mentally assign money specific use cases like bills, investments, travel, you naturally hesitate to even touch it for something else. So, by turning these mental categories into real digital jars, you protect your money from your own impulses. Oh, so the jars act like boundaries and my brain sees them as already committed. But, Professor, do you really think this will work? Can a few digital jars save me from myself? Oh, this isn't just money hack simple, it's behavioral science in action. When designed right, digital jars perfectly align with how human brain manages money. Wait, I just looked it up. Studies say people using categorized saving tools actually save up to nearly 75% more in a year than regular savers. Looks like structure really does multiply consistency, guys. Okay, I'm so doing this. Next year I will be going to Bali. I will have four jars. One for airfare, one for nice ocean view suite, another for partying under neon lights, and one exclusively for premium island beer. What? No, genius, that's not saving. That's pre-scheduling your own downfall. You have understood the theory. Let's talk implementation. Class still in session. Alright, Simple. Creating digital jars is a good start, but that alone won't save your wallet. You need a total of 5 powerful habits to protect your savings and make them stick. Number 1. Obviously, create digital jars. Use apps like FI or Jupyter to create jars for your essentials, investments, emergency fund, and travel money. Make sure every rupee gets a roll. Number 2. Automate your allocation. Set up standing instructions. Let your salary auto split the moment it hits your account. No manual effort, no temptation. Number 3, label and lock your jars. Name every jars, bills, investments, emergencies, and even fun. Unlock the long-term ones too, a little more tightly, so you can't even open it when your favorite shopping app sends you a notification of 50% off on sneakers. Number 4, use separate apps or sub accounts. Keep your fun money and savings money at different places. Think of it like giving your finances their own wardrobe. Formal wear for savings, party wear for spending. Number 5, review and rebalance your jars. Spend at least 5 minutes every weekend reviewing your jars. Adjust, refill, rebalance. You can't fix what you cannot track. Bro, this is gold. I finally get it. You and Professor have saved me from myself. But wait, which apps do I really use to create these digital jars? I anticipated that question. The list of best tools and apps are available in the description below. Choose one appropriately and start your habit today. Perfect. My money is all safe now. My next Bali trip will be guilt free, provided, of course, one of your jars isn't labeled booze or worse, Goa Part 2. Here's the truth, your money doesn't need motivation, it needs management. Use the envelope 2.0 habit and make your savings protected and safe. Yeah, don't be like me, blowing all your savings in one Goa trip. Start your digital jars now. And even before your next salary hits, hit like, share it with your spend 3 friends, and subscribe to Think Rich with Vishakh.